Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video. I am here in the most beautiful park in West Vancouver called Lighthouse Park. It reminds me a lot of Discovery Park, where I visited in Seattle a couple of videos ago, but I'm back here in my hometown and it's gorgeous. How have you guys all been doing? It's super windy today. I hope that you can hear me okay. I've got my microphone here. Hopefully it's not getting too blasted in the wind, but today is July 9th, 2026. It's a special day. It is my grandmother's 85th birthday today. Unfortunately, she lives in Nova Scotia, so I'm not able to see her in person, but we had a really good chat on the phone this morning and just got me thinking a lot about life and, you know, how time passes, and pretty soon, before you know it, you become 85. I'm really grateful to be hanging out here today at the park. It's cloudy, but it's super warm, and I've been doing a lot of photography and filming. It has been so much fun to get back into photography and filming more. It's just a passion of mine that I just totally, I abandoned it, and then I got back into it, and it's just been delightful. I've had a lot of things going on in my life that I've not talked about online, such as going through like a pretty major breakup a couple of months ago, but since then I honestly feel super good. I've been just doing my own thing and hanging out and making art. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the behind the scenes of my most recent painting for my July Patreon, which is going to be called Busy Beaver. As I'm talking to you now, I'm about halfway done the painting, and I think it's going to be really cute. The reason I wanted to do a beaver was I recently went to another park in the Vancouver area, and I saw a beaver for the very first time. He was so cute. He was just eating a little leaf and just going for a little swim, and I realized I've never drawn a beaver, so I kind of wanted to get into it. Thank you guys again so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you again soon. Bye! Well, that's the video, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. I hope you're having a lovely summer, and don't forget to get outside and enjoy nature. Bye.